Looking for a workout app that actually helps you get results? Nike Training Club promises expert design workouts for all fitness levels. But is it worth the hype? I tested it, and here's the full review. Most people get this wrong. They think the app is just for running or cardio, but Nike Training Club offers strength, mobility, yoga, and body weight workouts. You can customize workouts based on duration, difficulty, and equipment available. The app interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can track your progress, view instructional videos, and even get adaptive recommendations based on your activity history. For example, after a week of strength training, it suggested complementary mobility sessions to improve recovery. The surprising truth is that the app's premium workouts used to be paid, but Nike recently made the majority of them free. This means you can access world-class training programs without any subscription. However, there are a few limitations. The app doesn't track heart rate or calories burned automatically unless paired with an external device. Also, social features are minimal compared to other fitness apps, so if you thrive on community challenges, this might not be ideal. In conclusion, Nike Training Club is an excellent free workout app for anyone looking for variety, professional guidance, and structured training plans. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, the app helps you stay consistent and improve fitness without confusion or extra costs. Subscribe for more honest fitness app reviews and training tips to make your workouts smarter, safer, and more effective.